Can I cut? Hachima?
Mama, this will be my piece and all of this are yours. And
Okay.
Daddy's.
Alright. Can we let Daddy cut it? You like that?
I'm done.
You're done eating? Okay. Yeah,
Three.
into 4 na lang. You can have the 2. So it's easier to cut.
Three.
Can you tell me what that is? That's...
Monkey.
Yes, and it's
Yeah.
Ping. 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 Hachima.
This will be mine.
The big one. Okay. Okay, are you ready to watch Chang'e?
Out of the way.
As the legend goes, in the distant past, there was a beautiful woman called Chang'e. Earth. Hou-Yi missed his wife so much that he made an offering to the moon and tried to find the shape of Chang'e on the moon. To remember Chang'e, Chinese people worship the moon by eating fruit and moon-shaped desserts called the origin of the Mid-Autumn Festival, which is also called the Moon Festival. Nowadays, the Mid-Autumn Festival, which is also a harvest festival, has become a family holiday like Thanksgiving. Chinese people celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival by having a large dinner with family, worshiping the moon with gifts, traveling, viewing lantern shows, eating.
Where's the moon? Yeah, there. That's the moon inside.
Where?
The Huangsa one, yellow one.
You mean this?
Oh, this one. That's why we put egg inside. It's the moon. It symbolizes the
Mid-Autumn
moon.
Festival to get more information.
So, Mina, when you're older, you'll know what you did when you were young. You were being naughty a while ago, so I left you. Now you left this offering to Mama. What's this? It's a ring. And what's this? Oh. Mina. Baby, what's this? I like it. What, baby? Are you giving it to me? That looks nice and it's cute. Is it crying? Why is it crying? It's you. This is you and you're crying. Why?
Heartbroken.
She's heartbroken. Why is she heartbroken? Okay, let's talk then, baby. Do you like this one? Go, sige. So. I'll open it for you. This is your Mid-Autumn Festival gift. Can you tell me what is mooncake? Yeah. Yapping. Yapping. Did you like your yapping?
I guess the egg yolk weird.
What do you mean it's weird?
Huh?
What do you mean it's weird?
It's weird.
In what?
Because
How?
it doesn't taste jellies. It has to be wiggly.
Oh. No, that's how it is when you cook it with the start of the yapping. Books that we can read together. This one, I will read it to you later. What is that? Do you want Mama? Oops, show it. This one is Nina's first day of school. And I love my grandpa. It's going to be our time together to read. Mama to read to you. Which one here? Do you like? Oh, not this one. This one is for before bed. This one is before bed, and these two, they're the Chinese ones because it's Mid-Autumn Festival. Mina's first day of school. Wow.
Actually, not this. Look this.
That is your name. Can you read it?
Mina.
Mina. Yeah, that's right.
Mommy, why this one? I want that one. It's opened already.
Oh, yeah, I know. But this one is for sleeping.
I know.
But for Mid-Autumn Festival, we're going to have this. Do you recognize this one? This one says... No, this one is Mina. That's your name. That's the Chinese character. Mina. 上学的第一天
What that mean?
Mina goes to school for the first day. So, Mina's first day of school.
Why is it the first day?
That's the story of this one. Do you want to know what happened?
Yeah, but they will remove it.
Okay, let's open it. Let's open. Mama will open.
Be careful not to cut the pages.
Oh, yes, that's right, baby.
In the book.
And the book, yeah.
It's just new.
It's the story about this little girl. And her name is
Mina.
Mina. Yes. And then, look, she also has bangs. A little bit of bangs.
It has a lot.
It has a lot. Is it? Oops, sorry. It's just like you. Like, Mama will. Do you want Mama to read to you the story?
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to play the audiobook. It has an audiobook.
Mama,
Yes.
I don't want anyone to read it.
Alright.